Parliament's power to amend the constitution is limited power and it cannot be enlarged into absolute power. In light of this statement, explain whether Parliament under Article 368 of the Constitution can destroy the basic structure of the Constitution by expanding its amending power. 250 words, 15 marks. Introduction. The power of Parliament to amend the Constitution of India is granted under Article 368. However, this power is not unlimited and has certain restrictions, which the Supreme Court clarified through the Basic Structure Doctrine. Body. The Basic Structure Doctrine was established by the Supreme Court in the important case of Keswananda Bharati vs. State of Kerala, 1973. The court ruled that while Parliament can amend the Constitution under Article 368, it must not alter or destroy the basic structure of the Constitution. The basic structure includes vital aspects like rule of law, separation of powers, judicial review, democracy, federalism. This doctrine was reaffirmed in later cases, such as Indira Nehru Gandhi vs. Raj Narayan, 1975, and Minerva Mills vs. Union of India, 1980. The Supreme Court stressed that Parliament's amending power should not be used to weaken or eliminate the basic structure. As a result, Parliament cannot expand its powers under Article 368 to the point where it threatens the basic structure of the Constitution. The Basic Structure Doctrine serves as a safeguard against misuse of the power to amend the Constitution, ensuring that fundamental principles remain protected. Conclusion. The Indian Supreme Court has established the Basic Structure Doctrine to safeguard the foundational principles and values of the Constitution, thereby preserving the democratic framework of the country.